Hello guys! Michael Jackson, as the King of Pop, was one of the most famous and influential American singer, songwriter, and dancer in the world. Well, do you want to know how to make a song cover that feels like it's sung by Michael Jackson? Today, I'll talk about a thrilling topic about an excellent Michael Jackson AI song cover called Jammable. With advanced AI technology, users can create stunning Michael Jackson song covers easily.
Why is it so hard to say that one word?
If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Now let's dive in. Jammable, formerly Voicify.ai, is an excellent AI song cover generator. It offers an extensive library of voice models, including cartoon, anime, gaming, and Korean. Designed for both novices and professionals, Jammable offers tools that allow for the emulation of Michael Jackson's vocal style in song covers or entirely new creations.
Forget about your past. You can't take my hand. Do you believe that our love is worth more than money? When everyone just laughs and thinks it's funny, this love of ours is true.
Its user-friendly interface and versatile output options make it a popular choice for those looking to explore their musical creativity. Now let's learn how to make Michael Jackson AI song cover in 3 steps. Step 1. Go to the Jammable website and sign up for your account. Search Michael Jackson from the search bar. There are some models of Michael Jackson. Choose one model from the search result. There are 4 ways to create Michael Jackson's voice, including conversion, text-to-speech, duet, and microphone. Let's try Voci first.
Do you believe that our love is worth more than money? When everyone just laughs and thinks it's funny, this love of ours is true. I don't even wanna go out tomorrow if you won't be there for the ride. 'Cause it's been so many days
Here I will use voice conversion feature. Step 2. Now upload an audio or paste a YouTube link. Click continue.
No, it won't make it all better, won't make it okay, but suffering will go a long way. Why is it so hard to say that one word? And if it's really over,
Then rename the audio and tap Advanced Settings to change pitch, quality, processing, etc. Step 3. Click Convert and agree to Jammable's terms of use and DMCA policy. Wait for a while. Your song cover will be generated successfully.
It won't make it all better, won't make it okay, but something will go a long way. Why is it so hard to say that one word? And if it's really over.
Excellent, right? Now you can download and share the song cover with your friends. Jammable makes it so simple to create a custom Michael Jackson AI song cover. It's a fantastic tool that brings endless possibilities to your music projects. Try it out for yourself and see how you can recreate the magic of the King of Pop. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.